everyone, Chelsea here, and today we are unboxing a glass chair mat from Vitrazza. Vitrazza? I hope I'm saying that right. If not, you guys, I am so sorry. First, I wanted to say thank you to everyone who has watched my videos so far and who has liked and subscribed and everything. Super cool of you guys. I'm super excited, and I also want to thank Vitrazza for sponsoring this video. So without further ado, let's dive right in. They told me that this was a big box, and they weren't kidding. It's awkward and a little heavy. But okay. This first, care envelope. It's just instructions on how to care for it, I guess. If you have installed your Vitrazza glass chair mat on high pile carpet, okay. We're gonna skip that for now, even though I read it. It says read first, and I read it. So let's move on. More unboxing. Finally see something. This is the top. Okay, that's not light. Okay, now that I got this open, where are you guys? Now that I got this open, I'm going to clean up all the trash. I'm gonna set it up and we'll be right back. Oh my God.